What does it mean to reverse type 2 diabetes?
Reversing type 2 diabetes means that we are going to dramatically improve your insulin sensitivity. We're going to lower your A1C back to normal levels, which is below 5.7%, and we're going to get you off your medications.
Is this method only used on type 2 diabetes?
Yes, you can only reverse type 2 diabetes. When it comes to type 1 diabetes, due to autoimmune or other rare reasons, the pancreas is damaged and is unable to produce insulin. So yes, you can only reverse type 2 diabetes, and I only work with type 2 diabetic patients. I don't really have that much experience with type 1 diabetes.
Is there any evidence or proof that diabetes can be reversed?
Yes, I see this time after time with my patients, with my clients, and there's a large body of evidence that shows that you can reverse type 2 diabetes. This study from 2017 found that low-carb diet reduced the need for diabetic medications and also improve certain biomarkers in people with type 2 diabetes. Also, in non-randomized trial from Virta Health, they followed the patients with type 2 diabetes for a year, and they saw amazing improvement. 94% of those in low-carb group had reduced or stopped their insulin. 25% had an A1C below normal, and they stopped all their medications. And 35% did the same with only metformin. Also, at the 2-year mark, a high proportion of the subjects continue to demonstrate sustained improvement in the glycemic control.
Who is eligible to reverse diabetes?
Anyone who is diagnosed as a pre-diabetic or type 2 diabetes is eligible, but I want to emphasize, if you are taking any medication for type 2 diabetes or if you're injecting insulin, you need to talk to your doctor before you make any lifestyle changes.
How is diabetes reversed?
So the most important part when it comes to reversing type 2 diabetes is nutrition. You want to put less sugar inside the body. That means cutting out sugar. You want to cut out refined carbohydrates. You want to really learn how to read labels. And we want to burn the stored sugar that's inside the body and fat, which is you can use intermittent fasting with exercise. Also, stress management is very, very important, and sleep, hydrating your body. So as you can see, is a whole lifestyle change that will help you reverse your type 2 diabetes.
How long does it take to reverse diabetes? Is it an ongoing process?
It is an ongoing process. When it comes to how long, it just depends on a person. It depends how much medication you're taking. It depends how strict you are with your diet, with your exercise regimen, if you're doing any intermittent fasting. So it really just depends on a person.